So do we want to talk insurance? We are running out of time. Health insurance, any questions? Anybody wants to talk about health insurance? Okay, I'm just going to rush through this. Do you have company health insurance? You do? Okay. So do you need then insurance for health insurance? What does a health insurance do if you or your family member gets hospitalized? Right? Then it pays for the hospital expenditure. So if you have company policy, do you need another policy for yourself?
Yes.
You do? Why?
I don't think you need after retirement.
So how much is the insurance policy, health insurance policy? HR?
I think it's
2 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Okay. Depending upon 3 lakhs. Okay. So why would you need your own if you have a 3 lakh health insurance policy from the employer?
Total we can claim in a year for all the family members.
Right.
It doesn't cover parents also.
It doesn't cover parents. So if parents get into hospital, so for parents you might need. Even for yourself, 3 lakhs is nothing. I mean, if you are unfortunate enough to have a loved one ever go to hospital, okay, and it's 3 lakhs today, tomorrow 3 lakhs is going to be even less, day after tomorrow it's going to be even less. Okay, you definitely need to have cover, okay, which will cover you much more than a 2 lakh or a 3 lakh cover. How much you need depends, okay, but today I cannot think of any reasonably middle class family that can afford to have a family cover of less than 5 lakhs. And that I think is the bare minimum, right? One good thing about employer cover is even if you leave your employer, as long as you shift it before you leave, you can turn it into an individual policy. So before you retire or resign, okay,
You still continue on the same policy.
they will convert it into a policy, direct policy in your name rather than being part of a group policy. You just have to remember to do it 30 days, at least 30 days before you retire or resign.
I did now.
So this is a regulation. It has just come in the last 8 or 9
Earlier
months.
also they did.
Sorry?
2009 I did Biju policy. From group I converted into individual.
So earlier it was a guideline, now it is a regulation.
Mandatory.
It's mandatory. It was mandatory earlier also. I mean IRDA guideline.
Because the only benefit is existing illness from 2001 are covered in that.
You carry your history. That is the reason you don't want to
To surrender that.
surrender, because biggest dispute why claims are not paid is pre-existing disease, right? So अगर पुरानी पॉलिसी है 3 या 4 साल के बाद वो कवर हो जाती है, इसलिए पुरानी पॉलिसी रखना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
A lot of time, the corporates, they do change the insurance company depends on the premium.
So-
Then the coverage is not considered with one insurance company.
Lovely question you have raised. I don't have the answer to that. Okay, yeah, I have raised a similar question in one of the articles that I. No answer. No answer.
Problem means it's better to continue.
Even if you're paying
No, but that because premiums के लिए बहुत मारामारी होती है और बहुत मारामारी होती है. So I mean corporate cover is a subject by itself, is a huge subject. Okay. The other thing, I mean people remember parents. Okay, people forget siblings. Simple thing, drivers. Okay, जब ड्राइवर हॉस्पिटल जाएगा या उसकी बीवी हॉस्पिटल जाएगी, ओके, पैसे लेने किसके पास आएगा? आप ही के पास आएगा. उस समय आप उसको उधार दोगे, वो उधार वो चुका नहीं पाएगा, वो काम छोड़ के चला जाएगा. ठीक है, उससे अच्छा आप उसकी पॉलिसी ले लो, वो भी खुश, उसका भी तकलीफ पे टाइम वो छोड़ के भी नहीं जाएगा अगर अच्छा ड्राइवर है जिसको आपको रखना है. I mean this applies to anybody effectively whose expenditure you will have to bear. I think people just need to think. Like I have done it even for our domestic servants. People who've been there where we want to promote. क्योंकि वो आएंगे हमारे पास पैसा लेने.
If you cover them in,
Very good suggestion. Very good.
if you cover them in householders policy,
You can't cover them in your householders policy.
householders.
Mediclaim कहाँ से householder में मिलेगा? Householder is for insuring
Property.
the house.
But there,
Last I heard they were still human beings. You can't cover them in the householders
there
policy.
is also the additional add-on is there to cover the servants' maids.
Really?
I have.
I'm not aware. I'm not aware. If there is, I'm not aware. You must tell me about it.
Right.
It is very interesting. Very interesting. I know about householders policy that have add-on covers for Mediclaim, yes. I'm not aware about that extending to servants. Anyways, there is a very useful concept called top-up covers. Okay? Very cheap covers. Okay? 3 lakh का cover है, and this is very relevant for people who work in companies. Now, you calculate कि the chance of it being more than 3 lakhs is very little. इसलिए मैं और क्यों लूं? क्यों दूं मैं पैसा? So now this concept is there. This is called top-up covers. कि जब तक वो 3 लाख है तब तक वो कवर नहीं होता है. That's called a deductible. लेकिन खुदा न खास्ता आप ऐसे बीमारी में चले गए जहाँ पे खर्चा 7 लाख हो रहा है, तो वो 3 लाख डिडक्ट करके बाकी का 4 लाख आपको उस 5 लाख की पॉलिसी में मिल जाएगा. Those are called top-up covers. They are much cheaper. They are much cheaper because they don't pay for the first 3 lakhs.
Occurrence probability is very less.
Occurrence probability is less. That is why they are cheaper. Okay. Lovely covers, especially for people who work in corporates, who should make sure that their corporate cover, they either convert it into an individual cover, and this is the additional way, very cheap covers, the top-up covers. Now, and a better thing is to take that top-up cover from the same insurance company where your corporate cover is there. Okay, so that, वो coordination में भी आसानी रहती है.
They'll cover same guys only. They just cover 3 lakhs.
No, you can. This is your individual cover. You can cover anybody you want.
It will become the 3 lakhs.
It's a separate cover, even though you may take it from the same company. It may be administered by a different office. But सर क्या होता है जब एम्प्लॉयर लेता है तो हेफ्ट होता है, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बदमाशी कम करता है. ओके, और अगर वो उसी डिजीज के लिए दैट इंश्योरेंस कंपनी फ्रॉम सम अदर ऑफिस इज नॉट क्लेमिंग इट इज प्री एग्जिस्टिंग, then for them to claim it is pre-existing for your individual policy becomes that much more difficult. Not that they don't try.